Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a website on the multi-sites platform for your small business and you're looking for a logo, but you don't quite have a huge budget, maybe you don't have any budget whatsoever to hire a graphic designer because you've recently launched your business, but you really want a logo to make your website stand out from all your competitors, as well as make it a little bit more personalized. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a logo for absolutely free on a website called Hatchful, and then upload that logo to your multi-sites platform. So let's get cracking. I've already created an account on the Hatchful website. I'm going to be creating a logo today for my cake shop as an example. So I've registered an account. The first thing I'm going to do is click on create a logo now. It now will ask me to choose my business space, the category my business is. I'm going to go ahead and select the food and drink because I'm a cake shop. Awesome. Over here we have the option to choose our visual style. Do we want our logo to be calm, reliable, classic, bold, conservative, or elegant perhaps? So I'm going to go ahead and select elegant for this one and see what pops up. I can change it at a later stage if need be. Let's click on next. Over here you can add your business name as well as a slogan if you have one. Mine's already there because I've been playing around with this logo maker a lot just to make sure there's no hidden costs, and there really is none. It's completely free. I'm now going to go ahead and click on next. Tell us where your logo will be used. This was one feature I really loved about this website. So I'm going to go ahead and select it. Well, it's already selected, but I'm going to reselect it just to show you online store and social media where I want to use my logo. The great thing about this website, it will actually give you the logo suitable for those platforms and social media formats for all the various social media platforms. Let's click on next and have a look at all the logos it's generated for us. Let's take a closer look. There's so many to choose from, and remember, you can customize them. You can change the color, you can change the fonts, everything like that can be customized. So I really like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and click on edit logo. Over here, this icon that's already there, it's not quite suitable for a cake shop, so I'm going to go ahead and change that icon. Let's have a look for a cake perhaps under food and drink. There is a cake. Awesome. Look at that. Looks absolutely fantastic. You can also change the colors for your logo. I really like the one that it has already generated for me, so I'm going to leave it, but you can go through the various color options like basic, cool, elegant, minimal, modern, for example. You can also change the fonts as well. Go through the various font options available and just see which one suits your branding best. Awesome. I really like that one, so I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Over here, your logo is now complete, and it gives you the option to download your logo. It will generate your logos and they will be emailed to your email address that you have registered a Hatchful account for. I'm going to go ahead and just click on download for that one because I've created quite a few, as you can see, and it's literally emailed all my logos to my email address. Let's check it out. Great, your Hatchful brand assets are ready. It now will let you download a zip folder of all your logos you've just created, and all in various formats. You can see there's one for a Facebook cover photo, there's one for a LinkedIn banner, for example. Look at that, looks absolutely awesome. You even have a YouTube profile image over here. All the logos suitable for your business for each individual platform. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy that logo over to my pictures so I can easily upload it to my multi-sites website. Let's go ahead and go back to that. Under multi-sites, click on the section for the logo, browse your device, and then let's go ahead and upload our logo we've just created for absolutely free on the Hatchful website. Awesome. Look at that. It's now been uploaded. Let's go ahead and click on save. Obviously, we can also make it with a white background, for example. We can make it a bit bigger and we can just choose the format suitable. Look at that. Looks absolutely fantastic. We can also crop it as well so it doesn't fit as big into the space. I really hope that was helpful in building a logo for absolutely free on the Hatchful website. Remember, you don't have to have a huge budget or any budget at all to actually create brand assets for your small business. Really wishing you and your business multi success.